This knot looks like a leaf, but what it actually looks like the most is the Pipa, which is a traditional stringed Chinese instrument. Therefore, it's called the Pipa knot or Pipa knot. It's a decorative knot that can be used to make keychains, earrings, and pendants. So here's how you can tie it. I'm using this sage-colored paracord, and depending on how much cord you use, you can make a smaller or larger version of it. Starting on one end of the cord, I'm going to make a figure 8 shape and make sure the running end forms an overhand loop at the top there. The loop on the bottom will be larger and the top smaller. Then bring the running end back up to the top and then go around the top loop and behind where the cords are crossing over. And then repeat that same figure 8 shape for another pass as the cord traces the inside of the bottom loop. Go back up to the top and behind, staying under the previous pass. From there, I'm going to continue that same figure 8 pattern a few more times, and each time the figure 8 gets smaller and fills in the bottom loop section. So just continue the process. Eventually, the space in the bottom loop will get to the point where there's just enough space left for the last bit of cord, and from there I'm going to pass the running end through that space from the front to the back. At this point, I can tidy up and form the knot a bit more neatly, and then I'm going to go to the back and I'm going to gather both cords and I'm going to snip off a bit of the excess, but leave enough so that the cords can still come in contact with each other after being cut. Then from there, I'm going to melt the ends with my lighter, and as the ends are still molten, I'm going to press and hold the ends together very carefully. I apologize for drifting off camera there for a bit. I was just trying not to burn my fingers. But anyhow, just press them together and let them fuse. And now that the ends are joined, I can further firm up the knot if necessary. But this will be a knot that remains a little loosely tied and is not going to be completely firm. From here, you can attach a keyring to the top for a keychain, string it up on another piece of cord to make a necklace, or even add some earring hooks to make them into earrings. The choice is yours.